Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about hip bone fracture and its complication. First of all, we'll see a clinical case that relates to hip bone fracture and its complications. Let's see. Boshir was riding a motorcycle and saw some young girls. He raised his gear and causes an accident. He had a hip bone fracture and gone through total hip replacement. That's not the end. After 1 month, he went to his home and he suffered from few complications. Let's see which complication he has faced. Now, whenever he goes to toilet, he doesn't feel any sensation to his perineal area. My question is why he has no sensation in this perineal area. Do you know this? If you don't know this, let's discuss about this. As we know that sacral 2, 3 and 4 nerves supply the perineal area and he has lost his sensation in perineal area, so we can guess this that there is lesion in the sacral 2, 3 or 4 nerve. There is also a cause that there may be lesions in the cauda equina. Lesions in the cauda equina also causes decreased sensation in the perineal area. So what is the cause of his loss of sensation in the perineal area? The cause is lesion in the cauda equina. So it is a complication that after a hip bone fracture or hip bone replacement there may be loss of sensation in the perineal area. Let's see another complication after trauma to the hip bone. He also noticed that he cannot micturate. He has a problem with micturition. My question is why he has problem in micturation. It's simple and we have talked it before. As there is loss in the sacral 2, 3 and 4 nerve, and sacral 2, 3 and 4 nerve is parasympathetic nerve, because by definition cranial nerve and sacral nerves are parasympathetic nerve and thoracolumbar nerves are sympathetic nerve, and we know that parasympathetic nerve helps in micturition, right? Yes, parasympathetic nerves helps in micturition. So there is lesion in the sacral 2, 3 nerve causes difficulty in micturition, right? Okay, let's see the final and last complication. He also remembered that there is no erection of his penis for a long time after the trauma. He felt that there is no erection of his penis after the trauma. Why he has lost his erection of his penis? Because there is lesion in the sacral 2, 3, 4 nerve. Yes, and it is parasympathetic nerve, and parasympathetic causes erection of the penis, right? And sympathetic causes ejaculation. So as there is loss of or there is lesion of parasympathetic nerve, so he lost his erection of penis. So what we have found? We have found mainly three complications. One is loss of sensation in the perineal area. Second is difficulty in micturition. And the third cause or third complication is loss of erection of penis. So my humble request or advice to all of the young guys who rode on bike, be careful, don't be excited when you are in motorbike, because for this reason you can lose your excitation when it actually needed.